What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from the Deberoo suite, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up your push ads campaign using AdSterra. So let's dive in.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your push ads, your push notification ads campaign using AdSterra as the traffic source for today. And this is the offer that we're looking at right now. So it's an offer from AdVidi today, and it's a sweepstakes offer, a single opt-in. So it's a sweepstake for Lidl supermarkets, and it's a let's just check out the offer page. All right. So it's a gift card of £500. So this is it. We pay for your shopping, valid on all supermarkets, worth £500. And then once you click on request now, you will get redirected to fill in all the information. So yeah, first name, last name, email address, that kind of stuff. And then once they've done that, it's a conversion. So that's great. So this is what we're going to focus on today, and the CPA for this specific offer is €1.76, aka $2.10. So let's go ahead. I went ahead and already prepared our landing page. So this is the landing page, a quiz lander inside the Deberoo suite. You can find it in the template list. And as you can see, I already made some adjustments to make it appropriate for this specific offer. So you could be selected for a chance to win a Lidl gift card worth of £500. If you want a chance to win that £500 gift card, simply answer the short survey below. What age group are you in? Let's click through. How much do you spend on groceries in a month? Where do you normally buy your groceries from? And how do you want to spend your gift card if you win the prize? Alright, and after clicking on that last answer, they will get redirected to the offer page. Alright, so I wasn't quick enough to roll back. So let's open this up again so that we can make sure that the complete flow is coherent, so that the ads and the lander are all one coherent part. And then let's go into AdSterra and start creating our ads. So this is the dashboard of AdSterra, and we're going to click on these three lines right here. And then right here it says campaigns, create new. That's what we're going to do today. So we're going to click on that. And then first we want to enter a campaign name. So let's call it UK Lidl gift card. The connection type, so we can choose to only focus on 3G or Wi-Fi, but I am going to start with all traffic. And if I have enough data that tells me that I should change this, that I should only run Wi-Fi or only mobile carriers, then I will. But first I want to collect that data. All right. Pricing type is cost per mail, and it's gonna be a push ads campaign. Traffic type, we're going to keep that on mainstream. Sometimes adult works, even for non-adult offers. But in this case, we're going to keep it on mainstream. And then right here, the landing URL. This is where you want to paste your campaign URL. So the campaign URL that you receive from the Deberoo Suite tracker. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to run my lander URL. But once again, do not do what I'm doing right now. Do not paste in your lander URL here, but paste in your campaign URL. All right. Then we have the device format. So desktop, mobile, or tablet. Let's run on mobile today. You can also upload some images as a landing page previews, but it's not necessary. So I'm going to skip that for now. And then right here, we want to select the countries. So United Kingdom. And it will give us a recommended CPM rate. So let's take a look what the recommended CPM rate is. It's loading up. So the minimum is 6 cents, but the recommended CPM rate is 55 cents. So we just click on that to apply it on this specific country, and let's add 1 more cent. So just get over that average instead of exactly on that average. So 65 cents, and then we're gonna press add, since we have selected the country and the price from which we want to buy. So that's a good part from AdSterra. If you're focusing on multiple geos, you can select a different price for every specific geo. So for example, if I want to run in Gambia as well, I just select Gambia. It will give me a recommended CPM rate, which will be lower than the one of the United Kingdom. That has to do with supply and demand. And then I can just add that price, and then I have 18 cents, there we go. And then I have 2 different geos with 2 different prices. But we're only gonna run in the United Kingdom with this offer. And then we have the creatives. So another awesome feature of AdSterra is that you can select your creative template. So do you want it general all black? Do you want it Mac operating system style, which looks like this? Or do you want it to be Windows style, which will look like this? So you can select your own creative template, which is pretty cool. We're gonna keep it on general black. And then we have the title. So let's take another look at these questions. Age group, how much do you spend? Where do you normally buy? And how do you want to spend your gift card if you win the prize? Okay, so let's see the title. The title. We cover your shopping cravings. That's probably not gonna fit. Oh, craving is gonna fit. We cover your shopping craving. Meh, I don't like it. We cover your shopping bills. Get your £500 gift card today. 2 words, that's what I thought. All right. And the description, also a max of 30 symbols on all of them. So let's say answer this. Did we say that in the landing page as well? If you want a chance to win the £500 gift card, simply answer the short survey below. Okay. Whoops. Answer this short survey and win. Answer a short survey. That's what we're gonna make it. A short survey and win. Awesome. Okay. Now we are going to add some images as well. So with AdSterra, we have the opportunity to upload 2 images for the creatives. All right. So one is going to become right here on the left side, and one on the right side right here. So we can actually grab this one. So let me save this image of Lidl, and I do want to get it in the right dimensions. So I am going to open up Canva just to make sure that I have the right dimensions. We're going to do custom size 192 by 192, which are the dimensions for AdSterra for both of the pictures, both left and right. Oh look, it's already here. Perfect. All right, and we're gonna download that. Cool. And then we're gonna upload that right here. That's the one. All right. Yep. We're gonna use the full image, so we don't need to crop anything. And it's getting uploaded. In the meantime, let's search for another picture. So something like shopping cart, or wait, Lidl gift cards. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look at what we have. Remember, it has to become a squared image. So that's very important to keep in mind. But let's see what we can find. I like this. This is awesome. This is exactly what we need. It's £500, which is cool. The background is kind of blurred. We see that it's Lidl. There's a lot going on in the image. Look at that, beautiful. I like to play around with these adjust buttons just to see if I can get the contrast up a bit. And usually I just play around with these until I'm like, okay, this works, this is the best I can get it. Alright, I think that's good. Let's download this. Alright. And then right here, we're gonna upload that image. It's gonna become very small, that 500 pounds, but I hope it's still gonna be readable. We'll see. We'll see. Let's get rid of this. Alright, here we go. It's very small. It's very small. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it in, but perhaps we need to work on that. Maybe we could do something like this. Whoops. Something like this. Just extend it so that it gets bigger. And then something like this. Whoops. That 500 needs to be there. So then it will become something like this, right? But I don't like this as much, but just as an example. So we probably would have to look for something else this is just not readable, which is a shame. So we probably would look for something else. But then when you found that, you also want to create more creatives by clicking on these right here, so that you can mix and match, all right? So that you have multiple images and multiple headlines and multiple descriptions, etc., so that as soon as you start generating some data, you can tell in the Deberoo Suite Tracker, you can exactly tell which images are working, which headlines are working, and which are not working. And that way we can get a head start on the app optimizing, and we can start filtering out the ones that are not working, adding new ones, and keeping the ones that are working. All right, then we have the budget. So I'm going to set an unlimited total budget. And then time of start. So after the verification, do you want it to start immediately? Do you want to schedule the start? Or do you want to keep it inactive, keep it paused until you say you're ready to go? All right, and then we have more targeting options right here, like operating system, browser, language, day of the week, time range, and carrier. And for all of these, it's the same. I want to gather data before I start optimizing on them, except for language. For language, since my ads are in English, since my landing page is in English as well, I want to set my language on English. Where is it? Right there. And we're going to add that. All right, so now we only target people who have their browsers set on English, which is awesome. Then we have cappings and limits. So how many impressions per 24 hours, for example, or per 1 hour, whatever you want. Limits of impressions, which I'm not going to use. And the budget, so let's set a daily budget of, let's say $50. All right, so for the frequency capping, I'm going to leave this to 1 impression every 24 hours, which is good with me. You can, if you want to scale it up a little bit, you can say 2 impressions per 24 hours or 1 impression per 12 hours. But I like to keep it on 1 impression per 24 hours. And all right, advanced settings. So right here, you can add your blacklist or your whitelist or the IP range targeting. And then also you can have some custom bits right here for specific placements. Enter the country code and select which custom bit you would like to use for that specific placement. And then we're all done. So all there's left to do is click on submit, and then our ads will get reviewed. And after that, they will either go live or they will wait for you to give the green light and to start launch this campaign. So that's going to be it for this one, but no worries, because I will catch you next time, and catch you later.
If you're an affiliate marketer, listen up. How about a free course on Facebook, native, or push advertising? Sounds pretty good, right? For a limited time only, the Deberoo Suite Affiliate Marketing Platform by Colin Dice is offering a free course for every new sign-up. And that's not all. You can now have a look inside the platform, explore the tracking software, landing page builder, and cash flow manager before joining. You've literally got nothing to lose. Click the link in the description to create your free demo account and see what the most powerful affiliate marketing platform has to offer.